Okay guys, so dito naman tayo sa Warriors versus Rockets. So kanina na-discuss natin yung game Hawks versus ano nga yun, nalimutan ko kagad. Sorry guys, New York, Hawks versus New York. So dito naman tayo sa Warriors versus Rockets. Second game, 10:30. Philippine time, GTM plus 8. So Eastern time, 9:30 yan. So 9:30 p.m. That will be 9:30 p.m. December 11 sa kanila. Pero here in the Philippines, it will be December 12, 10:30 a.m. So let's watch this. So let's see this Warriors versus Rockets. So the spread is Warriors plus 2, Rockets minus 2 over and under 221. So that's the spread. So let's go to the injury report. So health and availability. So for the Warriors, the Anthony Melton out, Moses Moody game time decision, and Andrew Wiggins is game time decision. So let's see. So for the Rockets, Tari Eason game time decision and Fred VanVleet game time decision. So as we can see, both teams are in good shape. So a lot of their players, key players will play. So let's go to the last head-to-head matchup. So 99-93 in favor of the Warriors without Curry and Green. So ito yung medyo mas mabigat. So yung psychological impact nito kasi Warrior win on their last 15 games against the Rockets. So 15 games nang hindi na nanalo yung Rockets versus the Warriors. So mabigat 'yun yung psychological impact na nangyayari doon. So kahit yung alam mo 'yun, yung nafi-feel mo na kaya manana na parang hindi mo sila dapat talunin. That's the feeling of that na kahit kaya mo pero hindi mo dapat talunin ganun. Nagko-collapse on the final hours, the final dying seconds, mga ganun. So nafe-feel ko 'yun paminsan pag medyo yung hirap akong manalo, yung tinatawag na kontrapelo. So that's what you call that. So mahirap ito para sa Rockets. Pero kung ma-overcome naman nila, kaya naman nilang manalo dyan. So, nangyari yan dati pero parang nangyayari yan ngayon sa Lakers and sa Denver. So, hindi manalo yung Lakers ngayon sa Denver. Napakaraming game na nila na hindi sila manalo sa Denver. So, nangyari na rin dati yan sa Lakers and sa Clippers, pero nung time na hindi makaisa yung Lakers sa Clippers. Pero nung nanalo na sila, sunod-sunod na eh. Pero dito tayo, Warriors versus Rockets. So for me, plus 2 sa Warriors, medyo mabigat 'yan. Kasi yung hindi nga lumaro si Curry saka si Green dun sa laban nila last time, nanalo pa rin yung Warriors. What else kung lalaro yung dalawang clutch players nila? So for me, it's an easy decision. Warriors kahit money line sa Warriors ako niyan. Warriors money line or Warriors plus 2 or Warriors money line sa malakas ang loob. So, Warriors tayo dyan. So, mabilis lang na desisyon. Ito yung nagpa-ano sa akin. Hindi sila manalo. Napakahirap i-overcome. That's very hard to overcome that psychological psychological barrier sa psychological ano ng mga players, lalo na yung sa coach. Kasi yung mga players, hindi naman sila yung lagi magkalaban. Nagtata-trade-trade yan. Pero yung coach nila, mukhang sila yung magka-match up. So, ayun. Warriors tayo, money line. Or Warriors plus 2. So, that's all. Anong thoughts ninyo about dito? What are your thoughts about this decision? About this game? What are your thoughts? So, comment down below your thoughts and opinion about this. And let's see tomorrow. That's all. So, special reminder again sa mga nagbe-bet. So, only bet what you can afford to lose para wala tayong problema. So, okay. Peace. Peace. Mali pala. Peace. Okay. Thank you.